What can I do if a payment error occurs due to a technical issue in the Uber app?
Hello everyone. Today, we are going to discuss a common issue that many Uber users may encounter at some point: payment errors due to technical glitches in the Uber app. If you've experienced this, don't worry, we've got you covered with some effective troubleshooting steps.
What causes payment errors in the Uber app?
Payment errors can occur due to a variety of reasons, such as unstable internet connection, outdated app versions, or issues with your payment method. Understanding the possible causes can help in resolving the issue more efficiently.
How can I fix a payment error?
Let's go through the steps you can take if you encounter a payment error in the Uber app. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection, as a weak or intermittent connection can cause payment errors. Step 2. Update the app. If your Uber app is not up to date, it could cause issues, including payment errors. Go to your device's app store and check if any updates are available for the Uber app. If so, update the app and try to make the payment again. Step 3. Check your payment method. Ensure that your payment method is valid and has sufficient funds. If you're using a credit or debit card, confirm that it hasn't expired. You can try adding a different payment method to see if the issue is specific to the initial payment method. Step 4. Reboot your device. Sometimes, simply restarting your device can help solve minor technical issues that may interfere with the app's functionality.
What if the issue persists?
If the issue remains unresolved after following these steps, it's time to reach out to Uber's customer support. You can do this through the Help section in the Uber app or through Uber's website. Describe your issue in detail and they should get back to you with a solution. Payment errors in the Uber app can be frustrating, but they're often easy to resolve with a bit of troubleshooting. We hope this guide helps you navigate through any technical issues you may encounter. Remember, if all else fails, don't hesitate to contact Uber's customer support. Happy riding!